Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to record a video using our Playwright Java. Okay, recording the video is nothing but what all the execution we have done. This is like if you say here, simple right, maximum and minimization, like how you are going to use it. Okay, or you can able to file, upload and download things. This also you can able to consider. Okay, a simple way how we can able to set our video recording things. Okay, for that I'm going to take here. Okay, and here there is a small concept like a new context is there, right? Inside the new context we need to add some of the things. Okay, one small lines. Okay, after that it will automatically add in your code, and this is basically you have to use for entire videos, like all the code location for video recording concept. You can able to create a reusable function, and there also you can able to use, or directly you can use into the browser dot new context location also. Okay, see real time different way, and practicing time different way. If you say someone maybe think that why you are not created like a reusable concept wise. Okay, I'm teaching like a normal way. Okay, how you can able to record the video, just setting up. Okay, you can able to create your reusable functions. Okay, now here the browser context is there. Here we are creating new context. Inside that we are going to create for new browser a dot new context options. Okay, inside this new concept there is a set record video is there. Okay, record video directory. Okay, this is the path we have to use. Okay, and inside that we need to specify that where we need to set the path. I'll enter this one here. We need to use the path a dot get. Okay, here you can use for any folder folder location like videos slash, and it will take that file name and it will record. Okay, now I'm going to using this particular section. Okay, I'm just even you can see here there is no folder inside that videos. Okay, downloads only it is there because we are already download the files and all. If it is fail, if it is pass, whatever it is, okay, we can able to see for that. Targeted file, it is not there in that particular URL. Okay. I'll take this file and I'll provide this. Okay. And save. And then I'll use for one more thing. Browser context is there. Context is there. I'll close this one after saving. We are opening, right? I'll close and paste dot close. Okay. Now again I'll try. Yes, it is done and it is closed. Okay. And maximizing this one. You can see here videos. There is a folder came, and if you expand here, you can see there is a path. It is presented. Okay. Video. It is a dot wb WebM it is presented. Okay, if you go for the project location where exactly it is stored in that path. C drive locates documents and playwrights. Playwright, and here it is Playwright Java and Playwright 1. Okay, inside that videos, and you can see there is a video is there. Okay, you can click open once. See, it is because first one it is failed, right? It is not clicked anything and it is not there. And second video, yeah. See, automatically after closing, it is provided. Okay, like this, it will provide for both the videos. Even you can able to set some of the place like how much space is required and all. You can able to like not the spaces, and you can able to provide that how much video, because it is basically whenever you open, right, it is opening for full page and we don't know how it is working and all, right? Now how we can able to do to reduce this one? Okay, size, you can able to set some of the size, and here you can able to use videos is there, right? After that you can able to use that video set record video size. There is a method called video size, record video size. Okay, this will required for some of the things. Okay, you have to provide height and width, then automatically it will take. Okay, this is basically a video we are going to set some path. Okay, basically by default it will take that how much your web page it is there, right? The same page it will take, and even you can able to set the some video size also. Okay, if you refresh here, see two it is came. Okay, and if you go here, this is the one new one. See, previous is a full page, now it is going to see. Okay, like this we can able to set the video size as well. Okay, but only one thing you have to remember, if you are not close, right, close the context dot close and page dot close, it may be until unless the browser is closed, it will be a stay. Otherwise, once you close, automatically it will generate one video, otherwise it will not generate a new version. They are going to create, maybe this will be update in the new version. If browser is closed or it is open also, the video is going to be presented. Okay, but the thing is like based upon your code. Okay, a new version, whether you use the new version or not, if you use the new versions, it will generate a video into that your location. Sometimes it will not generate. Okay, we'll see that as well now. Until unless it will not be generate, basically it is previous versions it is having the same. So it is downloaded, it is kept, and it is done. Okay, if you refresh whether it is done or not, see the video it is there. Okay, previous versions, until unless you are close the browser, it will not be generate the video. But new versions, what will happen, right? If you are close the browser, if you are not close the context, whatever it is, okay, once execution is completed for that particular section, automatically it will generate a videos. Okay, automatically it will generate. If you close, if you are not close, does not a matter. Okay, this is all about for video generation. I hope it this entire information for you. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.